is fib retracement, but that's what I'm here for. I just want to explain to you what we are expecting next week. So ever since then, after market took out this liquidity, it's still consolidating, coming down, giving us a downtrend vibe from 1 hour time frame towards our point of interest. So I never take any tricks last week. I was just waiting for a market to give me something like at least a confirmation that is ready to buy. And beautifully on Friday, we have this bullish push up to the upside. So am I buying now or am I selling now? What am I doing? We're going to know after this. So now you can see that from here, let's just use our trend line for other confluences, and you understand. You can see that this is a beautiful trend line from here too. This trend line is testing on this eye and this eye, and this is the first touch, third touch. When you're using your technical analysis, you should know that first, second touch, and the third touch, sometimes it can break or it can reverse. And I used to tell you that if you're using your trend line, what it means that whenever market comes to test a particular trend line, first time it comes to test it, second time, that means it's weakening the trend line. You understand? And the third time, if it doesn't break it, that means it's going to reverse it back to the downside. You get what I'm saying? And if this can break it, if it doesn't break it, that means if the first time comes, is either it breaks it, and sometimes 100% of the time or 99% it will break and start going. So what are we expecting next week? Now, we're going to know after this as well. Now, beautifully, let's use our trend line from this point too as well. You get, so that we can have a clear picture of what we're expecting next week. So if you are in my class today, you can also use this as a signal for yourself for next week on gold. You get it? So now this is it. We can see the first touch here, second touch here. So what do you think we are expecting now? We are waiting for the third touch. But don't forget, I'm also a smart money concept trader, and that is why this is my order block you're looking at here. This one over here. This is my order block I already marked here. The field low order block that break this particular lower high that makes this place a breaker block. But markets violated this place by testing on it. It actually respected, but it didn't push the market to the upside. And market violated it, and now it's coming to this breaker block, but it hasn't tested on this breaker block. So what are we expecting next week? Two things that we should be expecting next week. Yeah, two things. Firstly, don't let this one fake you out. This bullish engulfing pattern that you see here around this axis, don't let it fake you out. You understand? So if you want to buy for this, make sure that this, I'm going to be sending the signal to the group as well. So make sure there's a proper breakout from this trend and the proper retest. And on this retest, you go to your 15-minute time frame to see a market structure shift to the upside. That means, or a break of structure to the upside. That means we are now bullish. You understand what I'm saying? But 89% that this will happen. You understand? This is particular one I'm about to show you. So, but this is what I'm actually expecting next week. A test here, bounce back, clear all this liquidity, make all this inducement, and test on this my order block here, 4 hours. Then we have a push to the upside. This is a beautiful entry. Do you understand? So we're going to be buying gold next week. That is it. No doubt about it. But this is what I am expecting. But if this doesn't happen next week, then this will happen. We already have a bullish engulfing. Beautiful. And this will definitely happen. Come back for retest and we start buying to the upside. So we are buying next week. Now, why did I say I want to buy from here if this happen? You can see from 1 hour time frame. Actually, I always use 1 hour time frame for entry. From 1 hour time frame, we have this what's it called? We have this a break of structure to the downside. You can see it here, and finally market took it out, giving us the market structure shift from 1 hour time frame, and it came back giving us inducement. Market gave us, swept the inducements, tested on this 1 hour order block. This is also an order block around this axis, tested on it, and we have a push to the upside. So two things. It's either we have a break, as I've said, and retest, and we have from 15-minute time frame a bullish stuff, and market starts with the upside trending, then we start buying. Or what I give to you on 4-hour time frame that we should be expecting. So, but anyhow it is, even in my group, my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group, I'll be sending you the signal if you're ready to buy confirmation entry next week. Okay, make sure. But this is the big picture. This is what we are looking at for next week. I don't want this video to be too long because I'm recording it as well. I'm gonna send it to the group for you guys. This is the big picture. Okay, this is the big picture. Okay, let's just put it here. Okay, to the next. But we're gonna take our TP1, TP2. This is the big picture here. Yeah, this is the big picture here. So let's see how it's gonna be. And if this doesn't happen, then this is another entry signal. But this is after confirmation. Do you get what I'm saying? This is after confirmation. Do you understand? So, but next week, don't forget, we are buying gold. And that's it. So see you in my next video, okay? All right.